Simpson Haig Bradshaw. We just call it ESHB around here. She was a member of the Edward Martin Handcart Company of 1856. And walked across, I don't really know where this is anyway. She was born in Bradshaw was born at Bolton, Lancashire, England. She was christened at the parish church on the 10th of February, 1808. And she was born to a family of clockmakers. Make that clock quickly, please. Hey, lots of money for that clock.
And their family invented.
Spoiler alert!
Spoiler alert!
The Simpsons were clockmakers and were the inventors of the famous grandfather clock. Ever heard of it?
So that's kind of something.